Hi my internet friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use your Canon camera or any other camera into like a webcam, how to use this. So if you notice or if you watch my recent video, I'm just using here like something like this. As you can see, now I'm just showing you how I do this, something like this, okay? And I can easily resize that thing, and I just crop here and everything. I can do it there. And if you notice, if I hover on this camera, then you'll see the preview. And if I want to use only for video, I can easily do that thing. And if I want to use two in one video, I can use that thing. Everything depends on you. How you can use your Canon camera or any other camera as like a webcam. So let's get started. Alright, so I just give you a software, and simple software. This is help you to like convert that thing into like a webcam. So let me show you how we can do this. So please check my video description. I will give you this software link in my video description. So please download this software. And when you download this software zip file, you will got something like this, and just click mouse right button and click on this extract here button. So when you extract on there, then you'll got an example like an software, and this you need to just double click on this. And when you double click on this, then you will see like as a like installation process. Okay, so just click on this next button, and I agree, next, and just yes, and close. Okay, so alright, it's now select on our it's installed in your PC. So if I go to our Camtasia or any other camera, then you'll see. So if I show you, if I click on this camera option, it's now off. So if I click on this camera on, then you'll see I got an option here, the arrow. Just simply click on here. You just need to change here something like, I just select here this EOS webcam utility beta. Basically this is a beta software, not the original file. This is the beta software. Okay, so okay, I just select on there, and I just need to connect my DSLR into my PC. How you can connect this? So basically I'm just using here a simple USB port. It's 2.0 USB port, I think. So you just need to input here this USB port into like this. I just set up. Go to your camera, like check here this USB port, and I just need to import this port into like this. I just set up here. So now as you can see, I just successfully imported there. So I just need to open my camera here. It's now, suppose it's now on. So I just to change it to in camera mode. I just change it to camera mode. And as you can see, if you go to my, alright, so I just off that thing. So then you'll see here the camera, like it's now showing like this. And if you go to my PC, and then you'll see I got an image something like this. Okay, so as you can see, if I show you, this is my phone and it's looking like this. If I watch my okay, this is my PC and this is my phone. And I hope guys you understand that thing, and it's 100% working. If I show you, as you can see, it's working as well. Okay, and I hope guys you understand that thing and it's working as well. So if you like this video, just click on this like button, and if you're new here on my channel, so please consider and subscribe. Thank you.